What's going on, YouTube? We back with another one, V6 Vents. I got a collab today with my bros.
Yes, sir.
Mopar Lumilly.
You feel me?
Yes, Voltage _ Zapz. Hey, don't mind the grease. We was just eating Chuck E. Cheese pizza. And
oh Lord, don't tell them what we was eating that day.
Bro, we was eating Chuck E. Cheese.
Man,
Fucking right. I thought it was a secret. No.
Man, look.
No, we can't take him nowhere.
It's a secret. Y'all must supposed to know about that. People don't go to Chuck E. Cheese no more.
Just for the pizza.
Not grown people. Voltage down right now, but he got to get his shit together.
That's fucked up.
Man, look at this shit. I don't know if y'all can see it, but he got the motherfucking Hellcat replicas. Them bitches is fire. Make sure y'all follow my bro. Gonna get some rolling shots and some other stuff for y'all.
We about to get some noise out of V6 Vents. We gonna see what this motherfucker hitting for. See what it sounding like.
Oh. The heat that beat that motherfucker.
Don't mind the pipe. The dude who did it, it fell, so it's a little low. But I ain't afraid to show y'all either. Don't. And it's not a cold start. Slang some more, I got you.
Hot as a motherfucker out here. Lower South. Make you want to go jump in the Mississippi River and keep swimming.
Shit, no.
Bitch, I had to delete the whole app.
He ain't lying, it be like that.
No cap.
So what we doing next? Flyby?
What do you want?